Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing videos and designs. I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decoration in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. And I hope you like these designs. I hope you love the designs of creativity. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. And I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique and trending. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby shower, bridal shower, groom showers, anniversary, professional party or any other celebration functions. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. Thank you so much everyone.